Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today, I will be taking apart this flat screen LCD television, and my goal or my target for this project or this teardown is to come across some LED strips that this flat screen TV has. They are backlight LED strips. These LED strips are quite flexible. You can use them to light up your workspace, emergency lights. They can be chapped, cut to different lengths to work at different voltages. So let's crack this thing open and get the precious LED strips. So while I'm at it, I thought, why not start at the back of the flat screen so we can have a look, take a look at the electronics in this thing. Have you observed lately that there are not much to an LCD? There are not much of anything in these LCDs these days. But it's still interesting to take a look. All right, let's get back to the lecture at hand. So now I flipped the LCD, and now I'm going to approach these LCD strips from the front of the LCD. I'm going to remove a couple of diffusers and other sheets of materials, and here you have it, the precious LEDs. There they are. Wow, let's get them. One more sheet of material to remove, and jackpot. Alright, so as you can see on my overhead light, I do have one of these LED strips installed. I have been using them for a while. I have other projects for these, but you get the idea. The overhang LEDs strip you saw above was cut so I could use it at 12 volts. So I have 4 LEDs on the strip, and it is being powered by a 12 volt power supply. Now these I will be powering just for trial, make sure everything is working, with a 24 volt battery setup. I have two 12 volt batteries wired in series, so I can test out all these LEDs at once. These LEDs usually work, they usually function, but just to make sure, let's go.